Oh, shit. Oh.
Haters wanna hate cause they see that I'm poppin'. Got your girl at my crib, yeah, you know that she poppin'. Turn your stereo up, you'll see that I'm poppin'. Whole crew fresh, yeah, we all be poppin'. I'm running the game like a
What's poppin', Peacemakers? It's your boy Tizzle Tae back again with another freaking video. Today is just gonna be like a birthday vlog since my birthday is tomorrow. We going to the mall and all that slat. Let's get it. Got my boy Big G.
Looking at he ugly.
Dry John.
Both chill
Y'all ready? About to go to the mall.
Go tomorrow, cash out, easy bread.
This nigga. Let's get out.
You feel me? I'm on this mug. You know we got tomorrow for the cash out. You feel me? You for the cash out. You feel me? So all the bad girls go at me. You feel me? It's gonna be in the description though. But we gonna be out. Peace.
Came out the mall. Let's get it.
You feel me? We'll be back. You feel me? We'll be right back.
Y'all see live stream with it. Slat.
Is you want to just open it?
The door lock.
You park in the back.
The door lock. The door lock.
Mama, what you got to say?
So we have right place.
Huh?
213.
What'd you say?
Should do say 213 here.
Yeah.
We here celebrating Taylor West's birthday.
We have right place. You look at the
The
map.
drill ships be coming
Taylor,
in and
that door
arriving
is
in about a
locked.
couple hours
It's
now.
really locked.
We're gonna turn it up like immature.
I thought you did it. We in the right place.
Let's get it. I feel like this is the same one we had the last time.
This is our camping place. That was.
Cabin tour comes soon. Official freaking house tour. We're gonna call it a house. It's in the cabins. Over there, you got your like little rocking chair over there. You can smoke your buds over there. When you walk in, boom. What's this right here? This is a little pull-out couch. Right here, you can play a little checkers and chess. All right. What's over here? We got the little flat screen TV. Oh. You got 2 beds in this room. You got the little thing right here, and look. If you need to iron your clothes, boom, right there. Little flat screen. Got the extra covers. This is the little kids' bathroom. On the other side is where the adults gonna be. We the adults, see. They tried to give us the little shower. What's this right here? It's locked. I don't know what it is. That's 74. All right now. Right here is where we're going to eat our rotel. We're going to film our mukbang. This is a dry erase freaking board, y'all. Boom. Right there. We need to call the people. We in room number 3. Right here, we got the little flat screen TV for us. We personally have 2 beds. It's 4 of us going to be rooming in this room. 2 of them going to be rooming in the other room.
We should have brought our own towels.
They don't got enough towels? Over here, yeah, boy, we got the big boy shower. We got the biggest shower in this room. Slat, we got this stuff. Drying our hair. Boom, magical right there. Here's our view right here in the back. What we finna do, y'all?
Go swimming, you feel me?
We finna go swimming. You feeds me,
Put my
dog.
Snapchat in the description. I know all the girls.
Put it right here.
Right here, you feel me? I know all the girls want to know my Snapchat, man.
Look at my new shoes. Where my new shoes at?
Oh, yeah. All right, y'all, hold on. We got to do our shit, boy.
Oh, yeah, you already know I got the slides. You know what I'm saying? Champions.
Champions. I got the
Because we champions over here, boy.
I got the walk on water Jesus slide. You feel me? Jesus walk on water knees. Thank you very much.
Somebody hold the camera. I'm about to show my shoes real quick. Alright, I got the champions, the off-brand Balenciaga champions right here. Boom. Drop the 100 on these right here. Then over here, I got me some Burks. You feeds me, dog. Some very fashionable black Burks. Drop 180 on these today. You feed me, dog. Exclusive footage, right?
Exclusive.
You already know what's going on. It's spicy in this gang. Bow. Hello.
Motherfucked up, nigga.
What's up, boy?
420, nigga, know what the
What's up? All right, y'all, let's go.
Y'all stay tuned. We finna get it cracking.
we finna get high.
Channel coming soon.
Brother Anthony.
This is crazy.
How we gonna get in the pool?
We about to just hop the fence, I guess.
It's gonna be cold. I ain't gonna cap.
We don't got no towels.
We so don't.
You don't
We need to get them towels from the.
No towels?
Let's go get him.
We go out to the front.
You vlogging right now?
Yeah.
All right, so back on the forgot what I was talking about. but
I
all the girls
swear,
go
my
out.
mom be going crazy when I pull the camera out because I don't ever be remembering nothing, boy.
All right, well, we finna drop in the swimming pool. You feel me? We gonna tune back in.
Got the Playboy shorts on, got the Crocs, Jesus sandals on
I'm
deck.
finna walk on water.
The
real
champions on deck. We a little ashy, but it's okay. It's
quick. You
okay.
feel me? Lotion ain't doing us right now. Fucking us
Bow.
up. I ain't even gonna lie.
Jump in the pool. Apparently that mug is extra cold.
For real.
You think I should jump in?
Jump in for the vlog. Jump in for the vlog. Jump in for the birthday. Nah, it's not cold. Go ahead. Ooh. You feel me? It's cold. You feel me? All on me, baby. You feel me? Miko up there. Miko up there just chilling. You feel me? Grilling.
I don't know, bro.
He don't even know how to get down.
Get down is that way.
I'm back into the hot tub.
Put your
We
foot
chilling.
on that.
Grilling. You feel me?
I don't fly.
Cold, but if I wouldn't have jumped in. Yeah, it is a workout room. It's currently 70 degrees outside, and we like at the top of the mountains, and it's freaking cold up here. Bro,
Top of the mountain.
so we all about to jump in the pool. You ready? Hold up, let me set the camera. Getting these cheeks! Oh! Slat! Oh, bro, this hot tub. He was gonna jump in, but you grabbed me hard, bro.
That shit jump. Whoa. All I felt was just ice cold.
Then my foot slipped. The bottom is real
Trying to
slippery.
swim up, all I felt was like, nah, that shit.
Did y'all see that dude over there? He was laughing at us. John, how come you didn't come in with us?
Oh.
Yeah, but it was good though. It was good. Woo!
But you gotta go jump in. He want to chill and relax looking there.
Going crazy. This is like a bragging type thing. I just want to show y'all how blessed I am to just be able to just come to the top of the mountains and just get a cabin anywhere I want to. It's just amazing like that. Make sure you take care of your blessings and thank your parents so much for everything that they always do for y'all. And keep the peace in this spirit. Y'all, we in this scary big cabin. Oh, heck no. Bro, find the light. Oh, it's right there. It's right there. Okay.
Where's the workout room, nigga?
Oh, okay. We getting somewhere.
So look, this is what we was gonna rent.
Okay.
Straight down. Where's the workout room? Oh no.
This could be cool if it was like a little family house or something like that.
That's what I'm saying. We'll be chilling in this motherfucker.
It's probably back here.
Yeah. We'll be chilling in this motherfucker.
It is back here.
You gotta turn it up.
It didn't work. Workout room. Break.
Alright,
Okay. I was finna. Oh, Gary, look.
What's that? Oh,
A movie screen. Okay, I see y'all.
the side.
Oh, this side. Oh, so we turn the lights on.
We did that for no reason.
Y'all gotta turn the lights off.
All right, y'all. We in this thing. We about to start working out. Slap. Big G! Slap.
Oh, shit. Yeah.
Yeah.
You hear me?
Bro, he's sweating. Currently 12:30. It's a real one's birthday in the East Central Time Zone. I want to thank everybody so much for wishing me a very happy birthday. This vlog is going to continue on to tomorrow, but for now, I want to wish you guys a good night, and please, please, please be safe.
Y'all niggas goofy.
Good morning, y'all. Welcome to another freaking day. Another freaking day. In this beautiful world.
They gonna see my nose. They gonna see my legs in there. You can zoom in.
I knew your ass was fast for a reason.
All right, y'all. We about to walk on this trail. You know, Jaden, he's scared and everything. He's scared, so we about to walk on this trail, y'all. I'm about to get this thumbnail so we can go. Bow.
Yeah, you ain't got no service, do you?
Oh, shit. Oh, shit. They slow! They slow! They slow! Look at Jaden slow!
It made my legs hurt, oh God.
Bro, we took off on him.
That shit made
Oh,
my
snap.
legs hurt, oh God.
Yeah, who the track coach now? Look like you need to practice. Look at this dude.
That boy
What's your name? Jaden Dunbar.
Yeah, he said that boy that. Shut up, track coach.
Hey, y'all, if y'all ever, like, have seen a movie where the white people and they be falling when they be running through the woods, it's real. It's real. That mug is hard to run through.
Finna break, bro. My leg was finna break down, bro. It's hard to like run over them.
I'm put this up there. We ain't got no fork out here, dude.
What's up, fam? I'm about to make me a strawberry shortcake for my birthday because I didn't want a regular cake, so I'm just gonna make it because I like making my own stuff. Let's get it slap.
And I was like, oh my gosh, we did this. And then I heard Rita's name.
Food is
I'm
bomb.
trying to say.
Ribeye steak
Talk
with
about
some
nigga
Polish
like this
sausage
shit, like
and
nigga
some
like-
hickory.
Like the
Bump. I'm finally back home. I'm sleepy. I'm eating the strawberry shortcake that y'all saw in the last video. Everything went smooth for my birthday. Everything went well. Thank you guys for joining me back again in this lovely vlog. And I want you guys to please like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends that we out here in these streets. Hashtag Tulsa Made. Oklahoma is up next. Y'all know the outro. Keep the peace, cause I'm out this piece.
I just realized that I'm cool on you. I don't need you in my life, cause you broke the rules. Yeah, you fucked up, shorty. You played upon me. Now you don't participate in any of these cold chains. Shorty, you ain't getting on it, cause you went and play like it was a